Hi everyone, I am Untitled Chapter, your holistic nutritionist, and welcome to the Complete Living, na kung saan ang inyong mga kalaban pangkalusugan ay madaragdagan. But before tayo mag-start, let's have an amazing facts. Alam niyo ba that an onion a day keeps stomach cancers away? Because of its allylic sulfite, it activates the enzyme to neutralize the cancer-causing substance. Kaya, ugaliin kumain ng onion every day. Now, let's begin with our topic and let's talk healthy choices. According to DOH, that 1 out of every 3 Filipino dies from non-communicable diseases, and lifestyle is the main factor. Every day, we make choices. In fact, some scholars says that the average person makes 35,000 decisions per day, 2,000 decisions per hour, or 1 decisions every 2 seconds. But how do we make decisions when it comes to food choices? Today, we're going to learn the macronutrients that our body needs and how do we make decisions of it. Number 1 is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is the main source of energy. But most of the time, we choose the simple carbohydrates rather than the complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates has a shorter chain of molecules and it can easily converted into blood sugar. Example of these are white rice, white breads, cakes, chocolates, and some sugary drinks. On the other hand, complex carbohydrates has a longer chain of molecules and it can be digested for a longer period of time. It contains fiber, B vitamins, and phytochemicals, and it may also reduce the risk of having several forms of health conditions such as diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and several forms of cancer. Number 2 is protein. Today, many people eat 2 to 3 times more protein than recommended. And this excess has been linked to kidney diseases, gout, and osteoporosis. Large quantities of meat and dairy products are not recommended. And vegetable sources are ideal to your body with all the protein it needs, like legumes and tofu. Number 3 is fats. Like carbohydrates and protein, fats is essential to your diet. However, there are certain types of fats that may play a role in cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and obesity. Saturated fats and trans fats like butter, margarine, shortening, and lard has been identified as potentially harmful to your body. Vegetable oil, peanut oil, and avocado is recommended. Last is water. But oftentimes we go for soft drinks and flavored drinks, not knowing that these are detrimental to your health. Since it adds sugars and calories to your diet, it may increases the risk of developing metabolic syndrome such as obesity, high blood pressure, and low HDL cholesterol that may raises the risk of having heart attack or stroke. Water with a squeeze of lemon and 100% natural fruit juices are the healthiest drinks. Now we can see how important your choice is. And let us always remember to choose the healthier way. Thank you and see you next time.